Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how to install Android Q DP2 on your Redmi 5 Plus or the Redmi Note 5, codenamed as Wins, and also a small guide to make it more stable for actually using it. So without wasting more time, let's start. Okay guys, so first of all let's start with the installation because we have to do it the installation, and I will also tell you how to set it up to make it like almost stable with some bugs. So press the volume up button and power button to boot your device into recovery mode. Okay guys, as you can see I've been booted into Orange Fox recovery. Now you have to go to backup first and back up your whole ROM, then go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, data, cache and vendor. These are the 5 partitions you have to wipe. Now go back, go to install. Now to download all of the following stuff, which I have placed the links in the description to make it like actually stable with camera working and a few other bugs if you don't like worry about them, which I already told you. So as you can see, this is the beast ROMs. So you have to flash beast ROMs first. Oops, I don't know what is wrong with that Orange Fox thing, but yeah. So okay, you have to flash that, and so let it flash, and I'm flashing the latest beast ROMs version. You can see it has 5 April version and the GSI is 11 April. So yeah, everything is in the description. You can download it and follow the tutorial easily. So let it flash. Okay, so now after flashing beast ROM, you have to again install then install image, and you have to extract that zip, that .tz file or something. Then you have to extract that pixel A only, and you will get that image. So you just need to flash this as system. So let it flash guys, it will take some like few seconds. Now after the pixel GSI has been flashed, this is the pixel Q GSI, you have to go to install, flash the permissiver. My god, this is so bad guys. So to flash the permissiver as well as the fixed zygote zips. Permissiver has been flashed. Now the same type, you have to flash this fixed zygote. Oh my god, this is really weird. Swipe to install, I don't know why it requires this so much sensitivity. So you have to flash this one also. Now after these zips are flashed successfully, just reboot the system. And you will get this Google white boot animation. So let's check. This is the boot logo. And also guys, I have this Android Q boot logo. I will just link it down below the description if you want in case. So it will boot guys, don't worry. And as you can see, it is booting. So Google boot, like Google white boot animation, the Pixel 1. So guys, let's keep this device aside now, and we have to move to PC like with the device, but let it boot. And I will show you now like how to make it more stable using PC. Okay guys, so as you can see, the device has been booted, and you can see all of this shit process, the completing setup and all shit has been started. So now you have to fix this, like you have to fix AMS so that you can use Play Store. Also you have to fix isolated storage because of that like new sandbox feature. So you will need of course a PC. So I'm using this board cable, USB cable, not the original one. You can use any of them. And you have to just connect it, and make sure you have ADB authorized, and if not, just it will ask for one time and you have to do it. So just type ADB devices, and as you can see guys, my device is unauthorized. So I will just get a pop-up notification like this, and always allow your computer and allow. Okay, so now the device has been allowed. Now again type ADB devices, and you can see the device, it will show device, so it means it is authorized. Now you have to copy some stuff. So all of this text I have just like it is in the description, so you can just copy paste. Now you have to copy paste this. So I'm using this Ubuntu terminal. You can use CMD or PowerShell, and you can see when I hit enter, your device should reboot like my is doing. So your device should also reboot. If you're on this group, then you have already followed this and maybe already booted, but if you're not there, you have to do this thing. And guys, you will need a computer because other like your TBRB recovery terminal won't work, so you will need to have a computer or a laptop at least. to like install this. Also now you have to install this GMS, which is the Google Play Services. I don't know, GMS core, it's the core services to make the Play Store work. Okay, so after the device reboots, okay, let it be. Again, it is connected, and let me check if the GMS is downloaded. I guess, yeah. So just rename it to gms.apk. Now it's in downloads, so I have to go here into downloads. Okay, now you have to do is adb install r and gms.apk. So adb install r and the path towards apk. As you can see here, it is written path to apk. So I have just, so my gms apk is in here itself. So gms.apk. Now it will take some time to install, and then it will say succeed. So just wait for some time to have it installed on your device. As it is GMS, it is like 129 MB app, so it will take some time. And guys, please make sure you are writing this correctly, or it will show some invalid application error or invalid APK or missing APK. So you have to like just redo it. Just to copy gms.apk, copy to a folder, open terminal or PowerShell command or CMD from there, and just use this. And make sure guys ADB is installed properly. So yeah, because this is Ubuntu terminal, ADB will be properly installed like in the script. So yeah. Okay guys, so the APK has been installed successfully. You can see it says success. And now let's just, okay, okay, just reboot once. So just reboot your device once. Okay guys, now after the device gets successfully rebooted, you have to go into Play Store and see if you can sign in. As you can see, you get this option of sign in. It means you can like obviously sign in. So I will just enter my email and password, and I'm not going to show. This is my like really extra email for I don't know what purpose. I'll just enter the password. Okay guys, so signed in. I agree. Okay, backup and all shit, accept. Okay, so if it like closes, doesn't like, don't worry, your account has been signed. So yeah, you can see your account has been signed, and now you can install apps. Now installing apps sometimes may become like shit, so you have to just go to your apps Play Store, and guys just force close, also guys also clear data, force stop, and again reboot once, like just for all. Also the SIM card, like the reel was not working, so just reboot once. Okay guys, now as you can see, the reel has started working after reboot. So yeah, if your doesn't work, you have just like one option left, reboot. So you can see Jio 4G, and as mine is Jio 4G, I cannot make calls via Volte, but you can if you have Airtel or any other SIM card. And for other users also, the Redmi 5 Plus users, you can make call if your career doesn't depend on Volte. So even if you can call without Volte, then your calls will work. But mine is like it takes Volte to call. I think Jio is a very weird network. So yeah, mine, like for me, calls won't work even if I'm on Pi or Oreo. So now let's try installing some apps. So I'm on the Play Store, as you can see, and let's try installing an app like Instagram. Install. So it says downloading. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, so it has been downloaded in like some quick seconds, and it says 100% and it's stuck. I don't know why. This weird notification. Okay, let's see if it gets installed. I hope like it should get installed. Like I have installed YouTube, that manual compatibility camera app, and also open camera. And guys, camera works, so you have to install open camera after this. Just check by for like just stopping Play Store and again installing. As you can see, working. Installing Instagram. Now let's try open camera and let me show you camera works, which I have already showed you guys, but still, oh no, sorry, I'm not showing you that. So installing open camera. Instagram has been installed. Also will install YouTube. So I will just install these 3 apps and we'll come back soon. Okay, so apps that I installed have been you can see Instagram and open camera, and I don't know why YouTube doesn't get installed. Like last time also when I tried to install it, it was just getting stuck somewhere, but after some time it was installed. So you can try guys installing some apps may give you some errors because of the size, but yeah, I have installed Instagram and open camera. Let's open open camera. Oh my god, this open camera brightness, oops, sorry guys for this. Let's reduce it. On screen GUI, force maximum brightness. As you can see, the camera works fine. You can see, you can click pictures and also video shooting, allow, so you can shoot videos too guys, and you can see everything works fine. Like if you want to install Gcam, you can also install it and test if it works fine, because the normal camera is working fine, which is the open camera, and we don't have any camera app because it's from like the Pixel GSI, so maybe camera is not there, I don't know why. But yeah guys, this is the installation and how to make it like almost stable. Now about the bugs guys, let's just go into settings and you can view the bug list here. You can see Riddle doesn't work every reboot, Goodix fingerprint, and what do we have, random system freezes and Bluetooth media. We have a Bluetooth media fix too, and as you can see mine is Goodix, so you can see I have no fingerprint at all. Also guys, no place for hotspot, no toggle into Wi-Fi, no hotspot. Like you can see there is like no hotspot at all, so I can like just connect devices. No hotspot support in this like build only, so I don't know why it may be got removed. And now Bluetooth media fix. So here is this fix and it shows Bluetooth music. So where do I find this? I don't know. We'll just try. So is this an app or something? Okay, so you have to like actually connect the device and then set this. So you can see, you can just check these options and you can pause and view. So you have to connect the device actually via Bluetooth and you have to set like this, and then only you can fix Bluetooth audio. So yeah, this is how to do it. And guys, that's it for this installation and a small guide to make your Android Q DP2 stable on Wins. And not to say stable, but fingerprint and hotspot is not working, like it is not even there. So yeah, that is upon to you if you want to install or not. And yeah, this is like okay for me. I don't use this device a lot actually, just to play some games on it or just to watch movies or YouTube and all. So yeah, like you can check out the description for all of the links, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.